Hello everyone. Welcome to another Anything Goes Saturday. I'm so glad you're here. I have a non-stamping card for you today. I am still playing with the Uniquely Creative Christmas Wishes paper. This is gorgeous paper. And I have some scraps that I'm going to use. This is the image that I'm using, and it is just so pretty. I love this Santa. He is adorable. I have a piece of red, well, it's actually a rose color, that goes behind it, and I thought it went very well with it. If you remember, I've also used it with a dark brown, and I've also used it with a pink, and that's going to go on my card base. I have my envelope, and the other thing I'm going to use is I got the Uniquely Creative Merry Christmas metal die. Now, this cuts this out, but it also cuts out, and it goes this way, it also cuts out a shadow for it. I'm not using the shadow today. I didn't need to use it, so I'm not going to. So, I also have gems and a sparkly ribbon that I'm going to use. So the first thing I need to do is I need to add my panel to my rose panel. All right, I got to get it on there straight. All right, now I'm going to decide where I want this. I didn't think of this, but what I should have done was I should have mounted my cardstock on a big piece of a sheet of double-sided tape, and then cut it out, because then all I have to do is pull off the back and stick it down. I didn't do that, so I'm going to be gluing it after I get all these pieces out. All right, there's all of that. Oh, and I lost my eye. Oh well. Does it cut out an eye? Let me see. Oh, it does. And I got rid of it. I may just save one of these pieces up here and see if it will work. I can cut it down. I just threw it all away. Didn't even think of the eye. Now I have to decide. I don't want to cover up my Santa. I think I'm going to put Merry Christmas up there, and I'll put my ribbon down here. So I'm going to take and pull in my double-sided tape, and I'm going to put it on the bottom. All right, so like so, and this I'm going to take off. Oh, I didn't cut my ribbon. I always cut my ribbon first, and I forgot. Now I will tell you, this ribbon does not tie very well. It's one of those things. Well, you can't even see it. Hold on, I gotta find some different ribbon. Okay, I'm gonna do something a little different. I'm going to fold this in half, and I'm gonna put it on here. I'm not gonna fix it until I get finished, because see, I don't have enough pulled out. I've got to make sure I have enough to tie my bow. And if I stick that down, it'll help hold it. All right, and then I'm going to tie a bow over here, so I'll have a nice big bow. All right, I'm going to hold that. Now, if you can't do this with one hand, use your tweezers, and I may have to. I think I'm going to have to. All right, because I want that tight. All right, hold on. Okay, so you take your reversible tweezers, stick it in there and hold it, and then you can tie your bow and pull out your tweezers, and you don't have to worry about holding it. Usually I can, but I don't usually work with a big ribbon like this. All right. Okay, there. Okay, got it. Put my tip back on. I always lose that thing. And I'm gonna cut it there and there. So I have a nice big sparkly bow. Isn't that so pretty? Oh, perfect, perfect, perfect. All right, now I can pick this up and I'm gonna put tape on the back because I don't want that ribbon to move on me. I want it to stay folded because it's really wide. Okay. And the advantage of using this, I'm going to move those out of the way. The advantage of using this ribbon is it goes fairly flat, which is important with postage costs going up. All right, I'm going to take my A2 size card, 5.5 by 8.5, scored it 4 1/4. And I'm going to fold it, and I'm going to add this to the front after I take this off so that it sticks down. You want to take this off because sandwiching that ribbon in between your ribbon holds it in place. All right. Okay, there we go. All right, now this is going to go on here, and I need my glue. Okay, got my glue. And I'm going to take, and I'm going to add some glue to the back of this. It's going to take me a few minutes to get it to go. Well, I think I need to clean it out good. There we go. And I'm just going to put dots and key spots so that it stays down. Must have a thread on there. Maybe it's sticky. Let me get a cleaning stuff. Let's make sure that there's nothing on the tip. All right. I can't take too long or the glue will dry. See, this is when I should have used the double-sided sheet. All right, let's see. All right, now. The key here is to get this down so it's straight and then push it down. All right, now I'm going to put a block across there, help hold it in place. Oops, I did this and I need to do a dot for the eye. What I'm going to do is this. I'm going to put it in my, I'm going to hold it and try cutting it. There. Concentrating. Well, it's not working very good. It's moving on me. Let's see what that looks like. It's going to work. So I'm going to take a dot of glue and put it there. And I'm going to put that right there. good enough. Good enough. Sometimes you just have to make do. All right. Let me get this out of the way. Put my tip in. And if you need to, after it's dried, if you need to hit some of the other areas, you can. All right. And I think I'm going to add some gems. All right. Let's see. Let's focus on Santa, because he is adorable. There we go. Cute. And I had a scrap left over, so I mounted it on a piece of the same rose paper for the inside, and I cut another piece of striped for the envelope. I hope you enjoyed today's idea. Make sure you head over to Vicky's and check out what she did. She does some fabulous things. She loves playing with stuff also. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Thanks for visiting. Have a super Saturday. Bye.